Hello everyone, good morning, Jai Hind to all of you. So as you all know, previously we have completed question number 1 and question number 2 of exercise number 2.3. Now let's start further. So it is very important sum, question number 3. Obtain all the other zeros of 3x4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 if two of its zeros are square root of 5 by 3 and minus square root of 5 by 3. So obtain all other zeros of 3x4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 if two of its zeros are square root of 5 by 3 and minus square root of 5 by 3, right? So here you can see there are polynomial and zeros. Polynomial is 3x4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. So a polynomial having 4 powers, so its degree is 4. That means we can say that it has how many zeros? 4 zeros, right? So 4 power इसकी degree जो है वो 4 है, highest power is 4. That means it has 4 zeros, right? So among them 2 zeros are given. First one is root 5 by 3 and second one is minus square root of 5 by 3. So we have to find another 2 zeros. 2 zeros are given and another 2 zeros we have to find. Okay, so for that we know that zeros that means values of x. Zeros क्या होता है? ठीक है, for any polynomial if we find any kind of zeros, that means we find value of that particular variable. यहाँ पे x variable है हमारा, that means value of x. Zeros that means values of x, right? So here 2 zeros are given. So let's start its solution. First one is root 5 by 3. So first zero x equals to root 5 by 3 and second x equals to minus square root of 5 by 3. These two are zeros. That means what? We can write in this form. Therefore x minus square root of 5 by 3 equals to 0 and x ये पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा प्लस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 5 by 3 equals to 0. Now reverse process. If we have any quadratic polynomial and we factorize that term, so we get this type of term, 2 brackets equals to 0. That means this type of term x minus square root of 5 by 3 and second bracket x plus square root of 5 by 3 equals to 0, right? ऐसा होगा तभी तो उसको सेपरेटली हम 0 रखेंगे. So 2 brackets are same but signs are opposite. So we know that a plus b, a minus b, right? Is of the form a plus b, a minus b. So we have identity a square minus b square. So we can write as a square, that is x square minus b square. What is b? b is square root of 5 by 3 square equals to 0. Now square and square root cut. So therefore x square minus 5 by 3 equals to 0. Give it number 1. Now you can see this is our quadratic polynomial. Why? A polynomial having two powers, है ना? That means सेकंड यहाँ पे आपका जो पोलिनोमियल है, ठीक है, एक पोलिनोमियल आपको यहाँ पे मिला जो क्वाड्रेटिक है, सेकंड जो मिलेगा वो भी क्वाड्रेटिक ही होगा। व्हाई? यहाँ पे जो क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल था उसकी डिग्री 2, दैट मींस इट हैज टू जीरोस एंड लेटर गिवन टू यू, राइट? तो दो जीरोस गिवन से, तो दो जीरो से आपको क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल मिला। एंड एज आई सेड इन डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम, so if we divide this polynomial by this polynomial, so we get another quadratic polynomial as a quotient, right? So divide this polynomial by this. So for second polynomial, divide x square minus 5 by 3 to 3x4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Okay, now x square minus 5 by 3, right? So multiply x square to 3x square, x square to x4, that means we have to multiply by x square, and for 3 we have to multiply by 3. Okay, so multiply by 3x square, right? So 3x square into x square, that is 3x4 minus 3x square into 5 by 3. So 5 by 3 into 3x square, so 3 cut हो जाएंगे, so remains 5x square only. Yes, 5x square, that means x cube वाला टर्म नहीं है, so first we have to write here 0x cube, 0x cube minus 5x square. Now change the sign, minus minus plus. Okay, now 3x4 minus 3x4 cut, 6x cube minus 0x cube, so 0x cube है, it means only 6x cube is there, minus 2x square plus 5x square, that is plus 3x square minus 10x minus 5 as it is. Okay, now x square x cube, so 1x and 6, so multiply by 6x. Now 6x into x square, that is 6x cube, 6x into 5 by 3, that means x वाला टर्म, so square वाला टर्म 0x square minus plus minus minus 6x into 5 by 3. See, 6x into 5 by 3, so it will be 3 2s are 6, right? 2 5s are 10, 10x. Okay, sign change, minus minus plus. Now 6x cube minus 6x cube cut, 3x square only 3x square, minus 10x plus 10x cut, minus 5 as it is. Okay, now x square multiply by 3, so plus 3, so 3 into x square, that is 3x square plus minus minus 3 into 5 by 3, 3 into 5 by 3, then 3 cut, so remains only 5, so 3x square minus 5, change the sign, minus plus 3x square cut, minus 5 plus 5 cut, so remainder is 0. That means our second factor quadratic polynomial, as I said, 3x square plus 6x plus 3. Okay, so here see, therefore Now 3x square plus 6x plus 3. Our quotient will be 0. Why? Let 3x square plus 6x plus 3, that means second quadratic polynomial quotient equals to 0. Why? We need to find another two zeros. Okay, that's why. Now let 3 as common, so it will be 3x square plus 6x plus 3, 1, 2 and 1 equals to 0. Now this 3, which is a division, so 0 by 3, so it will be 0. So x square plus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. Now factorize this, so factors of 1, that is 1 ones are 1 and addition is 2. So obviously 1 ones are 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2. So in place of 2x we have to write 1x plus 1x, that is simply x plus x. So therefore x square plus x plus x plus 1 equals to 0. Now by parts, from these two terms take as x is common, x in bracket x plus 1 plus 1 in bracket x plus 1 equals to 0. X plus 1 common, therefore x plus 1 second bracket x plus 1 equals to 0, right? Therefore x plus 1 equals to 0, x plus 1 equals to 0, and therefore x equals to minus 1, and also here x equals to minus 1. Okay, so these two are another zeros of this polynomial, right? Now see, ये जो second polynomial है, which is the quotient of this, but वो कहाँ से आया? जो given polynomial था उसको zeros के अकॉर्डिंग आपको यहाँ पे जो भी polynomial मिला उसको डिवाइड किया, ठीक है? Then you get this polynomial, and then find its zero. So another two zeros are -1 and -1. Okay, so you have to write here the another two zeros of this given polynomial. 4 power 3x4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 are -1 and -1. So zeros are, so total 4 zeros, 2 are given, square root of 5 by 3 minus square root of 5 by 3 -1 and -1. So these 4 are the zeros of this given polynomial. Okay, it's very most important sum, right? देख लीजिए एक बार. Okay, once again I repeat. First, 3x4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. So, which degree 4 polynomial is given to you, and from that, and obviously we know that degree is 4, that means it has 4 zeros. So among them 2 zeros are given, square root of 5 by 3 and minus square root of 5 by 3. So we need to find another 2 zeros. So for that, from this given 2 zeros, we find a polynomial. So divide the given polynomial, main polynomial, p of x. Okay, divide this polynomial by this x square minus 5 by 3, right? So divide this polynomial by this by long division method. So we get the another quadratic polynomial in quotient. After that, so this quadratic polynomial, factorize this polynomial and we get two values of x. Values of x, that means values of zeros of this polynomial, but this polynomial is also the another factor of this polynomial, this given polynomial, right? So these two are the another zeros of this given polynomial. Hence there are total 4 zeros, 2 are given and 2 we found, right? So first one is square root of 5 by 3, second minus square root of 5 by 3, third and fourth minus 1. Okay, now as I said, division algorithm. Let's see a statement first. So open page number 34 of your textbook. Division algorithm. So as I said, if we divide any polynomial p of x by g of x or s of x also, right? G of x or s of x. So if we divide dividend, that means p of x by g of x or s of x. So divisor. Then we get q of x as a quotient and below r of x as a remainder. Then the division algorithm is p of x equals to this p of x equals to multiplication of these two terms. So q of x into g of x plus remainder r of x. Let's see an example. Suppose we have 16 and we divide 16 by 3, right? So 3 5s are 15. 16 minus 15, so remainder is 1. Now see, we can write 16 as 16 equals to multiplication of these two terms, that is 3 into 5, right? Plus remainder, then plus 1. See, simplify this term. 3 5s are 15 plus 1. So 15 plus 1 is 16. So you get 16 equals to 16, right? But पेज जो डिविडेंड होता है उसको हम क्वोशिएंट एंड डिवाइजर का मल्टीप्लिकेशन प्लस रिमाइंडर की फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. This is our division algorithm. Okay. So which is given to you on page number 34 on your textbook. Okay. So from next lecture we'll see division algorithm. By using division algorithm we'll see question number 4 of exercise number 2.3, right? So today's homework is repeat class work in notebook and also write division algorithm. Okay. So repeat class work and write this division algorithm statement which is given to you on page number 34. Okay, with black highlighted bold words. Okay, so see you next lecture. Till then, goodbye and take care.